Online, am I audible? Online, am I audible? Can you hear me, ma? Online, can you hear me? Yes. Good. Share the screen. Good. Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Fine. Nice. Okay. So let's see what we have discussed till now, sir. VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Click on this file, open folder. Full stack 9. Yeah. Yesterday we discussed something called media. Okay. We will just have a quick revise of what is media. We will just understand what is media. And after that, we will just practice the things which we have discussed till now. And I will show you today some different platforms where you can, increase your niche, like where you can, get it some kind of expertise. In HTML wise, we had completed media, semantic elements, block and inline elements. So we cover most of the actually HTML. All we need to cover are forms. If we cover the forms, the HTML will be over. Okay. But before covering it up, so today it's mostly like the revision of media one, and also I will show you some different platforms where you can increase your things. Because normally completing HTML will not take much time, or CSS. Once you guys get the grip, it will be very fast for you. But most people fail in the basic, like you guys have to go for 5 months of the same curriculum, right? So you needed a lot of reference. You need to refer a lot. So for that, I will show you some kind of sites and all references. Let's go with this. Media. We can include we can include video. We can include video into HTML using video element. Okay. Video element uses source tag. Video element uses something called source tag. Okay. To define the source of video to load. Left arrow, video, and you will write it here something similar, sir. You will write it here source, you will write it here src equals to, and you will give the path. The same way, here video closed. And source is a self-closing tag. Source is a self-closing tag. Self-closing tags need not to be closed. is a self-closing tag. We can include video into HTML using video element. Okay. And the video element uses source tag. Okay. Now source tag to define source of the video, like you are defining the source. This is how you will write it video, sir. Yesterday we did. Okay. So the persons who are new, just refer to it. Now, next one. We can also include, okay, we just started, sir. We can also include audio into HTML using audio element. If you write it something audio, open audio and close audio, it will come audio element. It also uses source tag. Audio here, source. But actually, if you give like this, source in audio or video, it will not come up. If you give like this, the video or audio, those things will not come. To get them come, you need to add attributes such as controls. You need to add attributes like controls. You need to add attributes like controls to get more to get basic video or audio. To get video or audio, we will use this, sir. Is it clear, ma? Now, next, is it your first class? Any other first class? You both of us. Oh, 4 are there. Now, just let me know if you are not getting anything. First one, oh, see this. Basically, yesterday we discussed how to include video into HTML. Okay, to include video into HTML, we write it here. Anyway, we will do everything from starting, don't worry. Now video, and we wrote it here source, which is source src equals to certain path. And same way, for audio also, we wrote it audio tag and we wrote it source. If you write like this in HTML, automatically video tag and audio tag will come. Okay. If you want to show video into your website and audio into website, this is how the basic rule. Now, next. For pictures, we can use good. Next. So for pictures, we can use either figure tag. For pictures, we can use either figure tag or picture tag. Sagar, I didn't understand question online. Controls, if you write it in the video, then only the video controls will come, like play button, next button, download. Those things will come if you click on, if you write controls only. Same like when audio is coming also, you need it controls, na? Those controls will come if you write it controls there only. Okay. Now, next. Next. For picture, we can use either figure tag or picture tag. How do you use figure tag? For a figure tag, write it figure, put some image, okay, and alt, and here fig caption. If I give some fig caption, whatever the caption you give, something, some title, some caption you will give, fig caption. This is used for images. Like for example, you open something like Wikipedia. In Wikipedia, right side you will see one image, and below the image it will be written that the image title or something kind of one. Okay, those kind of things are figure text. Like in your science book or social book, you will see something, one figure, heart photo will be there, and below that they will write fig 1.1.2 something, biology of heart or something kind of one. The same kind of one, if you want to create in a website, you will use something called figure tag. Is it clear, ma? The newer ones, no need to worry. I will give you at the end the number, and you will get it like the videos of complete till now. Okay, and those videos you can refer it, sir. Okay, is it clear, ma? Offline ones, I will give you the numbers to connect. Even for offline ones, the group is created. Okay, the group is created. I will give you the admin number, WhatsApp one, so that you guys can connect to them. So when you paid it, that it will be added into the group automatically. Okay. Yeah. Now next, the picture tag. In picture tag, what will happen? Picture tag is used. Picture tag is used when we have to give. Imagine we have to give some kind of responsive images. Like in mobile, I want one image. In tablet, I want another image. In some kind of another device, I want another image. I will use pictures. When we have to show different images for different devices, we use picture tag. If you see, yesterday we did that. When I go here, click go live, go down. You can see here the picture. Now, can you see what is the picture is here? The Mickey Mouse one. But if I go here, now see, the picture got changed. The Mickey Mouse one changed into the comic one, right? And if I go here, and this comic one changed to Mr. Bean one. Mickey Mouse, Mr. Bean, comic, and Shinchan. Are you getting my point, sir? One image is only changing it into multiple images. That is because of picture tag. And how did you do that? You go here. I will show you the content here. This is the picture tag. Copy. Paste. So what you did here, I gave one source. Inside the source, I gave one kind of image. Now, not only image, when I give Mickey Mouse image, I set it media. Minimum width has to be 992. If your device width minimum 992, then that particular source will print. Imagine my device minimum width is not 992. My device width is something like 820. Then it will come in another image where this one will come when the minimum width is 768. Then this one will come when minimum width is something kind of 480. What if you opened in a device where minimum, like your device width is less than 480? When your device width is less than 480, at that times you will get it the last one, sir, which is the Shinchan one. Is there any doubts, man? No? No. This is only like actually people uses different images for different devices. We all think it like images only getting shrinken. No, images should not be getting shrinked. If you do that, what will happen? Imagine you have an image. On that image, you write it nicely. Welcome to the my site or something big one. When it get to smaller website, imagine the same image got shrink. Then automatically the text also will get shrink now. You can't read now. So that's why for different devices, people will put different images. That is one of the good one. In any website, you have to do it. Now, next, for media queries, you will have maximum double XL, which is greater than 1400. Now, next one, you can also use iframes to bring data from another website. To bring data from another website, we can also use iframes. Like you wanna put Google Drive, sorry, you wanna put it something like Google Map, or you wanna put a YouTube video or some another things, then you will use something called iframe. Any doubts, sir? Is it clear, ma? No. Let's start, sir. Online also, please focus. In case if you are not getting it, you can ask, including the offline. I hope most people will get it, but the newer ones also. I gave the suggestion to go to one website named FreeCodeCamp and to complete the levels. Does anyone tried it, sir? FreeCodeCamp. I think I gave suggestion, na? Did I? Not in this class, right? Oh, then I will do it now. Good. So everyone, even in your phones, you can open a link site called FreeCodeCamp. Let's make this class more interactive. FreeCodeCamp. Onlines, will you also participate, ma? Onlines. Just open the link and let me know. Online, can you hear me? Just open the link. Yes. Now after opening it, can you see get started? It's free, right? Click on this. Is it clear, ma? Let's go down. Which one we will do? Now, click here, responsive web design. Click to the first link, ma. After you go inside, click the first link, which is responsive web design certification. Responsive web design certification. You can open in your phone also offline. There is an app also, FreeCOdeCamp. Online, can you hear me? Online, can you hear me? Yes, then Ashutosh, I think only you can't hear me. Just check it on your mic. Something. Good. Sir, click on this responsive web designs. Sir, you may not logged in. You don't need it any login actually. Okay. Now see, you don't need any login, sir. If you wanna logged in, your wish. Normally you don't need. Now go here. You will see the first one. Now can you see here? Learn HTML by building cat photo app. By building the cat photo app, learn the HTML. Now you will learn step by step. Okay. We'll complete all. Like the newer ones today who are there. Which branch you are from? No, 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 no. Like your degree or your ECA, PCA, MCA. You are from which branch? Huh? Back, I think. ECA. I think you also, na? Accounts, electronics, ECA, MEC, MECS. It's engineering. Oh, okay. Uh, BCom. That's good. So the reason I'm asking is just to check it, like whether you guys can able to cope it up with or not. So focus on this. If you feel it at any point that you need it a bit relax, let me know. I will revise those things and will relax and slowly go. Okay. The older ones may feel it a little slow. Obviously, we will go for the next, few days in the similar way. Once the HTML completed, we'll run. Don't worry. Is it clear, ma? Can we all start? Now, to learn something, if you want to learn HTML, if you want to learn CSS, if you want to learn JavaScript, anything, learn by project. Learn by project. Now, let's start with a project first. See, sir, this is what we will create. This is what our end project. Okay, ma? Now, sir, while creating this, you will learn everything. Any doubts here? You can use this, or the same way you can create, even I can give some tasks also. Is it done? We will do parallelly my task and we will do parallelly the FreeCODECamp tasks. Online, are you ready? Can we start online, or are you already started? Online, did you already started, ma? Yes, they started it. Okay, let's see, sir. Now, let's read it line by line. HTML elements will have open tag. Oh, this is second assignment or first assignment? I want to go first one. Now this is first one only. See this HTML. They open something HTML. Inside that they directly write body. Actually, in original HTML, you will have head and body. What you will have, Amma? Head and body. Any doubts? No. So the same task I will only do. Pratiksha, what should we do? Read it. If you read the task, you will get it the tasks. Okay. Now here, inside the HTML, they gave body. Whatever you give in the body, it will show on the screen. Now see this. Step 1. Here, HTML elements have opening tag and closing tag. Like for example, if you are opening tag, you will write like this. Left arrow, open tag, some content, and left arrow slash some content, close. Closing tags will have slash and the opening tags don't. Clear? Now, the first element you will learn is H1 element. See, they opened H1 and they closed H1. Opened H1 and closed H1. And they write something, this is the main heading, something kind of fun. They wrote it something like this is the main heading. Copy. Then go down. Can you read the task here? What they are saying it like change the text of H1 element below from hello world to cat photo app and change watched in the browser. Oh, it's already cat photo app actually. Now maybe I changed it. So they are saying it like initially it is hello world. They are saying it like initially it's hello world and they are asking you to change it as cat photo app. Check your code. Any doubts, ma'am? The older ones can complete the link, complete all the levels, the newer ones. Now, task. Create HTML and inside head and body, and inside body, create H1, create H1 with with your name. Start do itself. You can do that FreeCODECamp one, or you can even do this one. Are you getting my point, ma? The newer ones, are you doing it FreeCODECamp? Pratiksha, can we do this in VS Code? You can try, no worries. My point is, if you see this particular one in here only, in this FreeCODECamp only, if you complete it, it would be perfect. First level done. Level 1 done, ma? Everyone. हो गया तो level 2 जाता बराबर. Next. Once it is completed, you can go down and you can say it like go to the next level. Oh. Cat photo app. It went to the next challenge. Now, can you see the next challenge, ma? Step 2. They are saying it like the H1 through H6 heading elements, the H1 to H6 heading elements are used to signify the importance of context in between them. That means H1 bole to higher importance H6 means lower. So total how many are there? 6. H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Which is having more importance than H1? Which will have less importance than H6, right? And that is what they said, sir. See, they even declared something like H1 to H6. Then only use one H1 element per page and place the lower importance headings below the higher importance headings. Okay. Now below H1 element, add H2 element with this text. Can you add below H1, write an H2, sir? Now level 2. Level 2 is below the H1. You have to write H2. H2 open, H2 close. Below the H1, write it H2. H1 open, H1 close. H1 open, H1 close. And write it here inside cat photos. This is level 2. Are you all getting it, ma? The new ones? Alright. Level 2 हो गया. Next level. This is very easy, sir. A level actually will take it less than a minute only. But believe me, if you complete all the levels, till now, whatever we did, that HTML is completed only. Okay. Sir, I'm moving forward with the next level. I think most people don't have any problem because it's very simple ones. Next. Okay. I don't want it. Anything ads. Next one. What they are saying it, sir. P element. The P element used to create a paragraph of text. So for paragraph, which element we use, sir? For paragraph, which element we are using? P element. You can see that in step number 3, you can read it there. In step number 3, who are new, I think step number 2 is ho gaya. Step number 3, okay. You can see that P means paragraph. And inside this paragraph, create a P element below H2 and give it the following text. So copy the text which they ask you to do and create one paragraph element. Paragraph open, paragraph close, and inside the between, write it here, the whole. Violet shirt. Are you getting it, ma? Which level you are in? No, which level are you doing it? Which level you are in? Huh? Oh, you are doing forms, sir. Why? Already completed. That's nice then. Then acha hai. It's like I just copy it, submit it, go to the next challenge. Right side is the output till now. First one is H1, second one is H2. What is the third one? Paragraph. P-tag. Create it similarly on your own also, so that you will not remember. You will not forget. And this all should be inside You are body of HTML, not the head of HTML. Any doubts, ma'am? Okay. Now, sir, next level, sir. What is the highest level you are on, Ray? What is the highest level you guys are on now? Remaining people are also playing now? Which level you are in? Are you all doing it? No. You all are like, sir will tell, we will see. Mobile not working. Mobile లేదా? Yeah. That's what I was confused. Okay, online some people are completed only. Some people are in 12th level. That's good, Ray. Now, anyway, 4th level I am on. Newer people can follow it with me. Okay, because I will go slowly only. Now, commenting. Sir, same like other programming languages or things, this is a markdown language. It's not programming language. Okay, HTML is a markdown language. Now, this markup one here, you are having it say commenting. How do you do commenting? If you want to do commenting in a HTML, see this, like this you will write left arrow, exclamation, dash, dash, left arrow, exclamation, dash, dash. So they are saying it, you can note, see, when you are seeing it each and every level, you can note it down. Till now, what you learned like HTML will have open close tags. You learned H1 tag, you learned H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. You learned paragraph. You learned just now comments. Now let me write it here, comment. See, what is the task today is add a comment above P element. Add a comment above P element. Let's write it. How do you add? Left arrow, exclamation, dash, dash. Then write this whole, write this whole paragraph. And then you should end it. Dash, dash, right arrow. It will end. This is called comment. And the comments are only for readability purposes. Comments are only for readability purposes. What? They just, oh, that one, wo chhod do. Now go here, check your code, submit. Doubt? Is it clear? Any doubts, ma'am? No, it's very simple. Next. HTML5 have some elements that identify different content areas. Normally, some elements in HTML are there. They won't do much impact into the UI, but for these are elements make your HTML easier to read and help with search engine optimization. That means, sir, what is the use of these tags? There are some tags, some elements, and this element's main purpose is make your website SEO good. SEO means search engine optimization. That means your website Google will read now. So if Google reads your website nicely, Google will feel it like, oh, this website is so easy, so good. So automatically it will give top ranking. To get it a top ranking, we'll use this SEO, search engine optimization. For better SEO, you will use some tags, and some of the tag is called main tag. You will use some tags like header, footer, main, section, article, aside, nav for different purposes. Now I am using it like here main because they said it. The main element is used to represent the main content of the body, and the HTML document content inside main should be unique to the document and should not be repeated in any another parts of the document. So let's write it here main. Go down. They are saying it like identify main section of the page, adding main opening tag before H1 and main closing tag after the paragraph. So before H1s are here, write it here main. After paragraphs are writing it here main. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, ma? Now you will also observe this, ma. Newer ones can also observe this. Can you see some gap I gave left side? In the main, can you see some left side gap is there for H1 and main? Why did you give that gap, sir? Because if I give it, then I can able to find where it is started, where it is ended easily. Imagine if I did not give gap like that. If I write it here main like this and everything in a straightforward. Now where is main open? Where is really difficult to find, right? Imagine in between so many lines are there. It's not easy to find. So that's why. But if I give gap, now between how many lines are there, it doesn't matter because the gap is there. You can able to find easily, right or not? And this gap is called indentation. This gap is called indentation. Left side gap of HTML elements is actually called indentation. Any doubts, ma? Any doubts, ma? Can we use main tag in web page? Yeah, we will use it now. You can use main tag multiple times also. But the problem is inside the main tag, whatever the content you give, you should not repeat it. Like for example, inside the main tag, if I put H1 cat photo app, again if I put main tag, inside that again H1 is there, again in that H1 cat photo app is there, that is wrong. That will give very poor SEO. Okay, so usually 99.99% people will put main for only one. They will directly put main open, main close. Inside that only they will keep whole body. Okay. Any doubts? No. Next one, sir. I hope online are going it. Try to complete it, the complete 60 in this class itself online. Now, in the previous step, you put H1, H2, paragraph inside main element. That means you put one element inside another element. Na? H1 is one element, main is one element, but you put H1 inside main. One element inside another element is called nested element. Is called nested element. And that is what they are saying it like. This is called nesting. Okay, nested element should be placed two space further, the right of the another element. They are nested. See, that is what I told you earlier. Just now we discussed now. The spacing is called indentation. What it is called? It is used to make HTML easier to read. Actually, I gave indentation. Now, did you see what is the problem here? Paragraph came before. So give the paragraph some gap. Now left side 2 inches gaps are there, two spaces, so that you can able to see the code easily. Simple. Submit. Next, go to the next challenge. Challenge 7. Now you can add images to websites by using IMG element. By using IMG element. If you add IMG, automatically you can put images, sir. Now, by IMG elements have an opening tag without a closing tag. Normally, just now what you learned, H1 is there, opening tag is there, closing tag is there. Paragraph is there, opening tag and closing tag are there. But some elements don't have closing tag. Some elements don't have closing tag. The elements which don't have closing tag are called as self-closing elements, self-closing tags. Okay, self-closing tag. What it is called, sir? Self-closing tag or void element. Now, add an IMG element below the paragraph, and at this point, no image will show up. Okay, write it here. Left arrow, IMG, SRC, ALT. So I write it here, IMG, SRC, and I write it here, ALT, sir. Any doubts, ma'am? And you don't need to use any closing tag for this. Let's go here. हो गया. IMG tag will have two things. One is SRC, one is ALT. Those are called attributes. Image IMG tag will have two attributes. One is SRC, one is ALT. What is SRC? SRC will have path. If I give some element path into SRC, automatically that image will come to the screen. ALT is like imagine whatever the image link you gave in SRC, that SRC is not working, then ALT will work. Okay, alternate. Click here. Now, next one. The HTML attributes are special words used inside an opening tag of an element to control the element's behavior. So inside the opening tag only, you will write it some attributes, and those attributes are used to control the element behavior. The src attribute in an image element specifies image URL. What is the use of src? Src is where you will give image ka URL. Okay, so that URL will be taken and will show on the screen the image. Is it clear, ma? Now let's write it here. img src equals to, you can write the link. Now if they write it something like this, img src equals to some link, automatically in that link whatever is there it will come. Now see, they also gave me some link. Let's go here. Let's go and see the link. Right click. See, in this link, some image is there, na? Right or not? Now I want to print this image in my site. Go here, write it here in img, inside img, give it here src equals to quotation. Inside this, I will copy this link and I will paste it here. Any doubts, ma'am? No. Next. Next one. An img elements should have an alt attribute. Every img element also have not only src, it also have something called alt attribute. Alt means alternate. Now the alt attributes text. The alt attributes text is used for screen readers to improve accessibility and is displayed if images fails to load. Imagine whatever the link you gave is wrong. Like for example, see this. Add Photoshop. I'm changing the link. Is anything came, ma? Did anything came? No. Sir, if your image is not coming, if the link is something wrong or internet is bad or something, then it should show some kind of alternate. Na? It is showing it one dummy image, but it should show some title. What is that image is for? People should know. For that, they will write it here. Something called image src equals to this link, and then they will write it alt equals to alt. They are saying it like inside img element, add an alt attribute with this text. And this is what the text I will write. Now see, it came. What if, sir, if my site is like, if my site is correct, if the image is correct, is there any alt will come? No. Alt will come only if the image fails to load. If image is successfully getting loaded, then alt will never come. Try that level, sir. Done? Done. Next. Next one, ma. You can link one page. You can link one page to another page. You can link one page to another page, literally, using anchor tag with the help of anchor element. In HTML, everything is pages only. You can link one page to another page using anchor elements, sir. Now, here is an example linking to one page to another page, sir. Here is an example of linking one page to another page. Let's take it here. Go here, anchor tag. And HTML is not case sensitive. You can write it capital, small, nothing will happen. Okay. Now anchor tag. This anchor tag, this anchor tag will have one property called href. href. href is an attribute for anchor tag. And this href attribute, is used to give certain link. Okay. Now they are saying it like add an anchor element after the paragraph and link to this. Did anything came, right side? No. Right side nothing came. The reason nothing came because you did not write anything in the anchor tag. If I write it something, that particular one will come. If I write something, then that particular link will come. But if I did not write anything, it will not come. Okay. Now, okay. Now, so everyone, a chota task, create clickable image. You know how to make it a clickable link. Just now you have seen anchor tag, right? And you know img tag, na? Even the newer ones just got to know that what is img tag and what is anchor tag, na? Can you make an image clickable? Just try to write one image. If you click on the image, it will go to one website. Write it, sir. You understand anchor tag? Image? Anchor tag is used to link one page to another page. Now, sir, imagine if I used anchor tag. Inside anchor element, if I put image element. Inside anchor element, if I put image element, then automatically it will work, sir. Inside the anchor tag, put it inside the anchor element, put the image element. Create a clickable image. For the people who don't know how to create, write an anchor tag, and inside the anchor tag, I will put one image, and the image I will give src and some path, and I will give image alt, some path, and then I will put anchor tag. So automatically I put instead of text, I put image only na. Now, if I do it here, href equals to something, I will give link. Now https www.google.com. See, if I do this, what will happen, sir? One image will be created, and that image, if you click on it, automatically you will go to google.com. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts? No, it's very simple ones. Next one. Good. What they ask you to do this time, they ask you to create, add another text, cat photos to the anchor element. So let's take it the anchor element. Let's put it here, cat photos. Now automatically it came cat photos. Now if you click on them, it will like open. Now next. Any doubts, ma'am? Any doubts, ma'am? No. Next. Add the words see more before the anchor element in our further gallery and after the anchor element. So let's write here. Add the words see more before the anchor element. There is anchor element. This. Now, here they are saying it like add see more and cat photos. Then here in the gallery, in our gallery. Next. In our gallery, right only now? Maybe his point of view, but actually HTML should not be case sensitive. Is it like space? No. It is exactly same. Hmm? After? Perfect. Just the space. Next one, sir. Next one. Now, add p tags to turn see more this all into paragraph. Now this whole thing, let's keep it here. Paragraph close. Any doubts, sir? Any doubts, ma'am? I hope everyone is getting it. Next challenge. We'll do till 15. Now, if you are really free, if you spend it 1 hour per day, in 2 days it will be katham. Like actually in 1 day only, 1.5 hour or 2 hours, simply it will be done. All activities. Okay, because I have to explain, go slowly. That only it's like in 15 things were over in like kind of half an hour. Okay, but if you really focused on, it will not take much time for you. Okay, now let's see. Add p tags to take turn into a paragraph. We already added p tag now. Oh, it's already there. Now turn the text cute cats into anchor element that the links will be this. Now next one, uh whatever, turn the text cute cats into particular. Where is this cute cat one? So let's go here. Anchor tag href and go here. And inside the anchor tags, let's write it here, cute cats. Any doubts, ma? No? Closed anchor tag. Let's see. So like this, I want you to try it each and everything. Okay. Now for the offline batch, okay, just remind me, I will give you that particular note and all. Now, okay. Okay, everyone, listen to this, boys and girls. Okay, sir, doing coding is not only becoming software engineer. To become a good developer, you need community. You need a community of people who can understand your problems and support you, or you can support someone's. The best communities which out there are websites called dev.to. There is a website named dev.to. Almost 26 lakhs, 23 lakhs people are there. If you create an account, in dev.to, automatically you will get in a home page same like your Insta page. But the difference is here they will show you, like for example, different people write different article. Okay, one guy wrote it today only, not today, today November 5th only, yesterday. Yesterday, I think. So it's like he wrote it, list of most common JavaScript string methods. Then if I go there, he's explaining everything JavaScript string methods. Are you getting my point, sir? Like this, people will share so many articles which they wanna do, which will give you some clarity. So always read, articles and stay updated. What is new with the AIs? What is new with the data science? What is new with the web development? What are the new technologies involved? Those kind of things, focus on it. Now next, this one, this one. Dev.to, same site, similar is called hash node. Hash node. You can create your own blog also in hash node. Hash node. Hash node. Any other doubts? So go to the sites and just check it upon. In case if you get a doubt, you can let me know. And for offline ones, please note it down. Note it down. Just WhatsApp to this number regarding your batch and the interest on this particular HTML class, and automatically the previous classes links of till now will be sent. You can watch them quickly. Okay. Is it clear, ma? Is it clear, everyone? Yes. If no doubts, this is the answer. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. If you have no doubts, you can leave, sir. And this is the admin number. Contacted for the notes or the classroom ones. Offline. Online admin is different. Is it clear? Yeah. That's it for today. Thank you all.